This circuit board needs to be installed in the position of the stick module. First, connect the isolation column and the sheet metal together by hand. Then use the Allen key to fix the screws of the sheet metal. Both DC+ and M+ are connected to the red wire. Both DC and M are connected to the blue wire. Then use a flathead screwdriver to fix 4 wires. The next step is to use Phillips screwdriver to fix the circuit board on the isolation post. Use wire strippers or scissors to remove the skin of the line. Expose the copper wires inside the circuit, then connect DC+. And DC to the red and blue wires of the motor at the bottom. M+ and M are connected to the red and blue wires of the motor at the end.